Hi guys, so on this short quick video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to Snapchat, click on this force stop option right here to stop the app, and then go to the permissions, disable the camera permission and enable it again, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it from here. After you update your Snapchat, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.